Hey everyone! Few days left until 2024. So hari ni, I nak recap everything about makeup in 2023. Jom! I think the highlight of the year was about MUA from Thailand. I think ramai sangat-sangat orang look up to MUA Thailand after the makeup on Jananik by Barabir. So one of the few things yang MUA Thailand ni selalu highlight is the way they apply foundation. They will use flat brush macam ni, lepas tu diorang akan tap balik guna sponge, which I found it very efficient in terms of getting the right base. Korang akan dapat base yang sangat-sangat cantik, sangat-sangat kemas. Okay, macam ni I dah ratakan dengan brush. Lepas tu I akan ambil sponge and then I akan tap balik untuk ratakan. See, so nice, so pretty. I think teknik ni memang used by Koreans juga, and I pun rasa most of MUA daripada Thailand banyak juga guna teknik daripada Korea sebenarnya. Now kalau kita compare dengan MUA dekat Malaysia and cara orang Malaysia makeup, usually they will use something like buffing brush, yang foundation brush yang fluffy macam ni, and then we will letak foundation macam biasa, and then kita akan tap macam ni kan, ataupun kita akan swipe lah. But this technique, it will give you a very high coverage finish, tapi it won't get as translucent as this one. Yang nampak macam very nice terletak kan, skin light. Also this one dia kurang sikit lah, but each technique pun I rasa ada kelebihan dia sendiri. Sebab itulah orang Malaysia still guna brush yang ni. Tapi kalau you nak try teknik ini pun okey je. Okay, Thai MUA juga, diorang punya corrector memang super powerful. So the areas yang diorang memang akan highlight is under your eye, and dia memang akan guna brush yang jenis yang lebih kurang macam ni, concealer brush. They will use to correct dekat tepi mulut and this area. Also this year, I rasa ramai juga yang aware pasal makeup anti badai. If you don't know, makeup anti badai is actually from Indonesia, and dia punya makeup tu kalau you gosok, dia takkan terkeluar, dia tak kategori sikit pun. Meaning to say the makeup memang betul-betul stick to your skin, tapi it's completely matte. So I think it's the products used and also the technique. Biasanya memang kalau Indonesian punya makeup dia memang akan terletak. Also this year I learned so much about colours. I went to the powder room and I learned a lot about seasons. Kalau korang nak tahu, kita ada banyak jenis season, like winter, ada spring. So itu semua akan menentukan lah you sesuai dengan colour apa. You sesuai dengan cool tones ke, you sesuai dengan warm tones ke. And every season tu ada pecahan-pecahan dia tersendiri. The classes at the powder room was very limited, and furthermore, they were the only ones yang conduct class untuk colours, colour consultation masa tu. So everyone was like waiting for their turn. I think ada yang tunggu lama sangat-sangat sampai around 5 months macam tu, tak dapat lagi. So masa kelas tu I sebenarnya sangat terkejut, because I thought I am a warm girl, tapi sebenarnya I winter. So sebenarnya I can wear icy colours, I can wear bright colours. I was shocked sebab I memang sebelum ni I pakai colour yang kelam-kelam, colour yang warm. That's why bila I pakai baju, I rasa macam kenapa makeup I tak naik Kenapa I nampak macam lesu macam tu. During the class, I was given something that I would not wear. I takkan pakai colour tu, tapi dia try the tudung, the baju on me. Lepas tu I boleh instantly nampak the glow on my skin. I macam lah, rupanya I winter. So when I understand about my colour, dulu I used to wear this warm tones. So sebenarnya I sesuai dengan cool tones macam ni. Sama juga I used to wear brown liners, tapi sebenarnya I lagi sesuai black liners. And I used to wear brown tones all the time, tapi sebenarnya I lagi sesuai dengan tone yang macam ni, clear coloured. So at first I was a little bit uncomfortable using cool tone colours, tapi lama-lama bila I dah selalu pakai, I rasa macam betul lah, memang your face will look brighter, it will look more radiant, and regardless of what you wear, you akan sentiasa nampak elok kalau you pakai your colour. Macam dulu when I do my eye look, I would go for something yang complicated, but now that I use the right colour, I tak payah nak buat look yang complicated. I just draw my eyeliner and I just put silver shimmer je, dah settle, nampak sangat-sangat cantik. So colour memang sangat-sangat penting. So shout out to Billa and Hanna for initiating this colour consultation, because I think everyone would benefit so much from your class. So korang kalau belum lagi come across the powder room, korang boleh reach out to them and book your slot. I think sekarang dia dah buka banyak slot, including personal and group sessions. Also, since everyone is idolizing Thailand punya makeup, I think there's one thing yang I memang sangat-sangat suka dengan Thailand punya makeup, which is their brows. Their brows very natural, tapi at the same time dia memang satu-satu. Unlike the western punya brow style, they are very like petak macam tu, and then kalau diorang sikat kat atas memang terus sikat yang tak ada, yang tak ikut border. But Thailand punya style, dia akan guna a very thin liner, dan dia akan draw satu-satu dekat sini within the frame. Sangat-sangat cantik. So I knew about this since the early 2023. So I bought Brow It from Nongchat. It's a liquid and mascara for the eyebrows. So dia ada dua end lah. Satu untuk you lukis, satu lagi untuk you sikat. This Brow It is by Nongchat. He's a very famous MUA dekat Thailand juga. So what they do is they will brush up, lepas tu diorang akan fill up satu-satu. And then I think diorang memang set diorang punya brows so that dia tahan lama. Lepas tu at the same time akan nampak ashy sikit, so tak ada nampak macam gelap sangat, bentuk sangat-sangat. For the brow wax, I'm using Smash Beauty. Smash Beauty ni is one of the brands in 2023 yang I think sangat-sangat best, and I'm glad I discovered this brand. This is actually a local brand, and this set dia ada 3 benda. Dia ada wax, dia ada pencil, and ada pomade. I think you guys should give this a try. Check this out, sebab this is one of the local brands yang I rasa betul-betul fill in our needs when it comes to makeup industry. For my lipstick, I'm gonna wear the colour yang sesuai dengan my season, just winter. I'm a winter girl. Cantik kan? I never thought I would wear this colour. So guys, here's the finished look. I hope you like the look that I did today. So this is everything that I learned in 2023. Thank you for listening to my 2023 recap, and I hope to see you guys next year. Bye bye.